stem cell therapy is an injection treatment designed to heal injuries and reduce pain. It is used for arthritis and injuries to ligaments, tendons, muscles, cartilage, and bone. First, let's look at the difference between human embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. The embryonic stem cells are pluripotent, meaning that they can become of any of the more than 200 known differentiated cell types of the human body. On the other hand, adult stem cells are multipotent, meaning that they can develop into more than one cell type but are more limited and controlled and thus safer than pluripotent cells. We perform the adult stem cell treatment.
'Today, with the executive order I am about to sign, we will bring the change that so many scientists and researchers, doctors and innovators, patients and loved ones have hoped for and fought for these past 8 years. We will lift the ban on federal funding for promising embryonic stem cell research.
In 2013, scientists found a way to do this using a system called CRISPR. The technology is actually based on the way bacteria defend themselves against viruses. When a bacterium detects that a virus has infiltrated it, it releases what's known as guide RNA, a strand of genetic information that contains a sequence that matches part of the virus's DNA. And attached to it is an enzyme called Cas9. The guide RNA acts like a homing device, leading the enzyme to the matching segment of viral DNA. When the two strands meet, the enzyme goes into action, acting like a pair of scissors to snip out that section of viral DNA, rendering it useful.
In 2015, scientists used CRISPR to cut the HIV virus out of living cells from patients in the lab, proving that it was possible. Only about a year later, they carried out a larger-scale project with rats that had the HIV virus in basically all of their body cells. By simply injecting CRISPR into the rats' tails, they were able to remove more than 50% of the virus from cells all over the body. In a few decades, a CRISPR therapy might cure HIV. And other retroviruses, viruses that hide inside human DNA like herpes, could be eradicated this way. CRISPR could also defeat one of our worst enemies, cancer. Cancer occurs when cells refuse to die and keep multiplying while concealing themselves from the immune system. CRISPR gives us the means to edit your immune cells and make them better cancer hunters. Getting rid of cancer might eventually mean getting just a couple of injections of a few thousand of your own cells that have been engineered in the lab to heal you for good. The first clinical trial for a CRISPR cancer treatment on human patients was approved in early 2016 in the US. Not even a month later, Chinese scientists announced that they would treat lung cancer patients with immune cells modified with CRISPR in August 2016. Things are picking up pace quickly. And then there are genetic diseases. There are thousands of them, and they range from mildly annoying to deadly or entail decades of suffering. With a powerful tool like CRISPR, we may be able to end this. Over 3,000 genetic diseases are caused by a single incorrect letter in your DNA. We are already building a modified version of Cas9 that is made to change just a single letter, fixing the disease in the cell. In a decade or two, we could possibly cure thousands of diseases forever.